Hi Capricorns, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your mid-September reading and we'll see what are the guidance messages for you in the middle of the month. Okay, so for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. And this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Okay, so let's see what is there for my Capricorns in the middle of September. Please, what is there? My angels, guides and spirits, please help me guide my Capricorns in the mid of September. Let's see. One more shuffle. Okay, let's see what is happening in the environment right now. 8 of Wands. So this is your general atmosphere right now with the 8 of Wands. It is like a communication. It is like, when things start working. So what is the conflict then if things are already working the way you want? The Moon. Okay, so it's a conflict or an obstacle. This is something which is I guess you are resisting this thing. But over here I'm really getting that the way you want the things to happen, they are actually happening, but still something is hidden. When you are not sure about some stuff, when you are not sure about the other party, the person with whom you are dealing with, the situation with whom you are dealing with. So this is something, when you are little dicey about the situation, like whether I should trust the situation or not. So trusting this fast communication, sometimes it is actually telling you that you really need to go into the depth to know about the situation right now. So what is happening over here? So with the Page of Swords in the foundation of the situation, so this is your subconscious energy. So this is something which you don't want to look at. So there must be, with some of you, there must be this kind of a scenario where you didn't know that somebody was spying on you. When someone was actually stalking you, might be. So spying on you, stalking you, whatever you might call it. But somebody was looking at the situation, or somebody was stalking you, looking towards you. When someone is analyzing your every step you take, every breath you take. So this is that kind of a situation. Somebody over here is actually and you don't know that, or but you don't want to look at it. So this is that energy. Okay, what's your past situation? Ace of Rods. So there must be some kind of a new communication or something new, some kind of a new job or new relationship you might have started, and it was going well. But you found out something when we found out, like you found out like this person is not the same as he or she was before when they met you. So something happened, but everything was fine in the starting. It was new, it was passionate, it was a good communication wise, it was good as well. It was a new idea of a new beginning. Yes, and you were actually taking it, it was really enthusiastic at your end as well. So what's in your mind right now? The King of Swords. So this is you're aware of this thing, your goals, your purpose. So you are more into, you are a very practical kind of a person over here, Capricorns. Your mind is telling you that, emotionally you are not feeling anything. But still, your intuition is telling you, when something happens the way you want, but still your intuition tells you that no, this is wrong. It means like you are happy that it is moving, it is happening, but still something is fishy over here. So when that kind of intuition is there, because you are not taking a look at the situation in a very emotional manner, you are looking it in a very practical manner, when you just want truth and nothing else. So your brain is seriously working the way it actually needs to work with the King of Swords over here, because your purpose, your aim, your goal is to just find out the truth, whatever is it. You are not here to listen to lies of people. No. Okay, so what's in the future energy? Seven of Wands. So this is like, when you are, it's like fighting for yourself or fighting with many people in front of you, saying no to many people. Sometimes, there are difference of opinions. So when you are here to tell you your opinion, this is that kind of a card. When you are there to tell about your story, please listen to my story now. You have heard a lot about them. Now it's my turn to tell you. So when you are ready for your story, when you're ready to tell people your story, or tell people what actually happened, the truth might be the one who is, you are finding the truth. Might be you will be the one who will actually find the truth and will reveal it in front of the people, whatever this thing is. Okay, so how you see yourself as the Four of Swords. See, this is how you see yourself. You are actually working on something. You are researching, you are taking time, you are analyzing things. You are not in a hurry, because Four of Swords is not a very hurry kind of a card. No, you are not in a hurry. You are taking things very slow. You are just watching each step at a time. So that is why, and you are healing as well. So it's a very beautiful card, Four of Swords, when sometimes you really need to take a pause from the life, and you just need to think about yourself, what you want, what is actually happening, why is it happening. When you have so many questions and you have started to find answers of each question, so this is what you are actually working on, because King of Swords in your mind, because you actually want to work on these kind of things. Okay. How people see you, Three of Cups. So the people around you, the environment around you, they see you as the Three of Cups. So this is a very beautiful energy. Like people, your friends might be a very good help over here for you. Your communication level is very strong over here with your friends. Meeting and having fun with your friends, partying. So this is something which is actually helping you to go through all this process, because you might be even discussing your problems with your friends, with your family members, whomsoever you are comfortable with. This is really good, because they are also a help to you. Lessons which you need to learn, Page of Pentacles. See, this is something I would say with the Four of Swords over here. You are already taking time on the things. So with the Page of Pentacles as well, you are not in a hurry. You are actually learning. So this is a card over here where I just asked the lessons which you really need to learn. So this is with the Page of Pentacles. It's like, yes, you are learning. You're already learning. The universe is telling you to take things slow, learn from the start. Start from the scratch, and then by one just go on and do what you want to do. Because Page of Pentacles is a very sincere kind of a child who just works on what he is doing. When he studies, he continuously study. When he plays. So he focus everything on a particular thing, and that is what you need to do. Focus all of your attention towards a thing. Do not divert yourself. Sometimes you are happy, so be happy. Like every time you should be happy, but still, when you are with your friends, so be with your friends, enjoy the moment. When you are with your family, enjoy that time. When you're working, just focus on your work. So that is what something I would suggest, because over here the lessons you need to learn is Page of Pentacles. Okay, so outcome of the situation, Five of Cups. So there might be some kind of sadness, but this sadness is more about when you try to tell people what you want, because you're already in your future, you are doing with the Seven of Wands, you are trying to tell people what you want, you are trying to tell them your story. And with the Five of Cups, I think that people are not trying to listen to you, because you are just speaking, and they are not even listening. So that is why you are doing all the research, because you don't want to speak, you want to show. And when you will show, the reality will come out, whatever the situation is. This is really a very positive reading, because when people do not listen to you by your words, so you have to tell them by your actions. And that is why you are doing all this research and analyzing whatever it is needed, because in serious matters, it actually needs, what people need is the actions, the main, the proper instruments, what you actually need to find some kind of truth. All right, so that's all from my side, Capricorns. I hope it helps, and we will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.